Now I post up my new project, my barn find, 62 Impala 4-door hardtop. Got it home, got all the kid stuff around it. Nice original car, white, red interior. It was last on the road in 1978. Original paint. It's all starting to flake and show its age, unfortunately. Not one to ever really post up projects and what I'm doing, but heeding to my brother's advice, I thought this would be a good one. There's the original 327 equipped with the Power Glide. Definitely got my work cut out for me on this one. Be a good family project when it's done.